I know that many of you must have come across this video, but I want you to watch this video and listen, then I will tell you why I am here.
Uzodinma. Hope we hear the voice once again. I only call you 3 times.
Do you remember this voice? Do you remember this video?
Hear the voice once again. You see this man standing. You see this man is down here. Carry down your face up. Hope I know you must know this man. I know you must know this man. Huh? I want you to watch the video. Watch it very, very well. Oh, the way I am killing this man, the way I will kill you very soon. You think moving around with soldiers, hiring soldiers will solve the problem? Oh, but I thought you are a sensible man. I don't know that you are a foolish idiot. Oh, you are a foolish idiot. Look at Boko Haram. They are only fighting for Islamic State. Oh, you people are the ones sponsoring Boko Harams. You people are the ones equipping them. Oh, uno back to prison. Oh, una poptasha Muslim, una poptasha Boko Haram sejeji. Where uniform kulo to her. Where you go be to her. What are
now? You are going to be very, very smart because of Facebook. Everybody they watch me now, I go dey very smart because of Facebook. And they risk this page. In case any day they pull down this page, you know see them again. Some of my fans go post any new one I create. I don't care, I don't mind. So because of the kind of things that why they post, and me I no send. But this man with the entire like this man Wonyi Igbo, this man Bonyi Imo State, this man Bonwa for Imo State. I can give video ebe buria. I told him I'm just a flash here, weapon because of Facebook. I told him what. If for this man hacked the like azo, because unomana this man alota hija.
it's on at the like oh, Uzodinma. Oh, we hear the voice once again.
If you see what happened, if okay, she will this man, able this man kokoko. The video not here with me. Lanya, Lenanya, Unu Lanya, Una Funa. Unu ga hwe ba record bara there. I told me go see maka Facebook. No man able this man, afro this man will look kokoko. Now, you watch the man. You got for all about the man annoying her. The man can have this man kokoko na Ala Igbo. They will this man kokoko na Ala Igbo. This man, a former local government chairman from Idato. I think Idato or Takeshi boy, this man. Just like that. Takeshi boy, this our brother. Now, there's one intelligent something in Chokononcha. Watch here. There? Somebody said I should open Telegram. How do I? Okay, I will open Telegram now. I will open Telegram. Then I will be able to. I may post the link of my Telegram. I will open Telegram shortly. Yes, it's a person. I got me play it here because of Facebook. Okay, Idato North local government. His name is Mayor. That's the man's name. Eburu this man kokoko. Hajima for this man Olu. Now, come John Dimo. What is this man's family's condition? Okay, ihe nwunye ya na ụmụaka na agabiga right now. His extended family, his in-laws, and so far and so on. How would they feel that their in-law now for the Olu na camera? My phone. Let me just check. Just hold on 1 minute. Can please near the screen. Mama, they couldn't small. I don't know. Machine on my background. I'm using a good phone. I will try and create a Telegram. Let me see if I will create a Telegram right away. If I will download Telegram and right away. Can we care? All right, everyone, welcome. Let's see how we can continue this now. So, I'm going to download the Telegram and expect the link of the Telegram. I will comment it here shortly. Otakeshibo, this man. Okay, it's clear now, right? Now, everyone listening to me, do you see why those guys, Gentle Baburu, I posted that video and a mega honam those boys say, a mega honam those boys say, those boys Gentle Cock Rebe Babu, a mega honam. Do you know why? Because they have been with him. Now, picture this man, video this man and the kid out Eburu Choyolu like that. If you watch Igafo, check out the skin of these boys, Obaburu. And check out the skin of those ones who did that man, a more an elderly man. Even though many of us didn't talk about it. So everyone, they didn't show sympathy. Now there is a man, there was a man. This man about a contractor of NDDC or thereabout. The man Bonimo State, the man Butra, yena some of his people Butra. The man Butra solar street lights with about Tigana village, yeah, or thereabout, somewhere about Ojo na Imo State. So however, nde truck Butra that thing, I say ka hapo no kigwe we gro manuni. Red oil. Nde Hausa. With some of our brothers and the man Imo State. Umunno man kidnap like that man. Ruo there wipe or every other person. The man kwụtara ezigbote ụgwọ. The man kwụtara ezigbote ụgwọ. He will release the man bush others. Everyone listening to me, do you know that this man as of today has confirmed that those boys gentle baburubo, the boys see sobia buri ya buti ebe gentle no. In anaghị go kidnapping. So we sympathize with them na agbaburu ha because na ha sugi Igbo. What about the innocent people these guys joined? Ha tiri aka wee gbuo. Hello. Yes. Thank you. And the Messiah. Okay, Maka, which matter, please? Okay, I'm on live now. When I finish, I'll get back to you. So, Eburu, everybody knows that Eburu mande nke Igbo according to the man. Eburu ndị nke Igbo dey involved as ndị Igbo eso kidnap pụta there. Eburu hancha. Only one person came back alive. The man paid hell in money. The man yogidere ha na any amount of money na ha kwuo ma sị na ha egbuli egbu. Because na the man butra solar. That was his crime. Because the man butra solar street light. That was this man's crime. These people buru this man. How buru this man? I mean, how buru others? When now this man ego? As of today, the man confirmed that these boys gentle cock Rike 47 babu bunde sorobia bute had that day. Bad rock. You know one thing many of you fail to understand. If so many of those trucks nebu G, nebu Nama, nebu so many things from Ugausa nebu Ala Igbo. Imanandi Igbo won 40% of those trailers. I want to also make you know today that even in Imo State, and when some politicians say when in Nama, they have cows. I'm not telling you super story. Go and verify. We have ranchers. Some of our people. Do you see what these guys are doing? So those guys, because Gentle Kokorebo Babu, 3 of them. What about the people, those guys say Mabuga in the secret that we didn't know? Gentle just Oji has smooth to honor, Oji has smooth to honor, yeah. But that doesn't make them innocent. Everyone listening to me now, this Muhammad, they created a page. They have page here. They have page, and I don't want to show their page. They've used that page to comment on this my page here. They have page. They have page. These things are things many of you need to know. Many of you need to know these things. Now, if you go to their pages on Facebook, Imagine Imo State, Imagine Igbo Mega. Oh, Belatatolan Imo State. Now, people, other people. All the other people now. They will be there on the internet supporting them, hyping them. Few minutes ago, they posted videos and they post the police they will post because Hanaman to CCTVs Nelo Shishi. So they will be screenshotting it. They monitor the CCTV often. They will screenshot it. Have screenshot wire. They will post it on the Facebook. They posted very short few minutes ago. They posted and said that bushmeat go soon radio. And let me tell you, 65% of the policemen and military they post to those areas, they send to those areas, are your brothers. When the real military come, you will know that strangers are battle. They will not spare anything. Now go and check their pages. What our people are doing on TikTok. How do they do on TikTok? How they post to steady. But if you see what our people are doing, hold on, let me show you. Let me see if I can get very few of their comments and show you in how our people name. Now they posted barely 38 minutes ago. They said and I read. No, it's too long here, but I just okay. This is not the post I'm talking about. The one they posted 1 hour ago, they say bushmeat go surplus. Bushmeat go surplus, this is their camera. So they snapped members of the Nigerian police and the military, bataga those bushes now. Their CCTV, they used it and captured them and posted these security men. And they said that bushmeat go surplus. Funny enough, they are not close to this area. They are not close to this area. They will be very far. They post to this thing, not hypo. Therefore, jeopardizing the life of the innocent people in those areas. That's what they are doing. Hello? Yes. Ndewo. Adema. Onyano na live section, sir. All right. So that is what they are doing. That's what they are doing. They are not in any way close to these areas. Haga no far now hide there. So they will post this thing. And this guy should wait. So as they post this thing, they said bushmeat go surplus. They are not in any way close to this area. The people now, Obama, this security men, the DSS, anymore here, I follow her now. The DSS are now may go back angrily against our people, against our innocent mothers. Now, what is giving them strength? What is your intelligence? Your intelligence, just what's it called? Ambition, call my other line, please. Someone enter it again. Call it. I will mute my live video and just ask you something. So the only thing they do now, you will think that they are there, men on ground, all just to risk and jeopardize the life of our people. So anybody who is crying or complaining because Gento call AK-47 and bar those boys, don't waste your sympathy, don't waste your tears. And in so doing, Gento has stirred up certain of his men against him because Saga fight here. They will fight him. Now, careful now, many of our people now support to this kind of evil. I'm going to play something. Let me play something here, and I want all of you to listen intelligently to this. I want you to listen to this. Very, very important. And careful. Our people are the ones supporting these things. Our people are the ones supporting it. Somebody said, why are other content creators in Southeast not saying anything about all of these things happening in Ala Igbo? Now let me tell you one thing that will happen. This is more than the word of a prophet. This is beyond what Elijah can see. Shebi, there was a knock on a young man, the called fish magnet, right? Nke ending na 45. Nke ending na 45. That's the number you call me with. I am on live section. I'm on live section, please. The number. Ambition, try and reach out to me with this particular number. I'm about calling it now. 090 64 23 57 and 45. Hold on, please. Let me comment the number here. Then we'll continue. We'll move tonight. So, now let me tell you one thing that will happen. You see content creators, You see content creators. You see content creators. One of them, any day one of them is hot at the bar. That is when many of them will start talking. And on that day, somebody like me will start quenching it. If they are crying, I will be quenching. I will be debunking it. On cover so boni me hamo aga na debunk ya na oba ashi onye ade ndo. Meji ame akaja. Because you know the wicked. Hello? Udo? I will talk about your matter next time. Okay, ndị Igbo ole nọ there? Ndị Igbo nọ at the prison, the 200 and the...
Total line about 220.
220 ndị Igbo. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Igbo na-ata fufu o. Igbo na-ata fufu o. Igbo na agwagi how many ndị Igbo? This guy call me on the other line I give to you now. Ndị Igbo na one particular prisons. 200 and something. I'll talk about that prisons. Ethiopia prisons. I'll talk about it. But not now. I'll talk about it. Let me comment my number here. Now I'm not crying now. What can I know best for me? I'm not crying. I'm not reflecting now. I know they too like them. So. Hello? Yeah. So, Ndibo, I want you guys to listen to this now. Listen to this. Now, Oya, go ahead now. Tell me, repeat again. Gini mere that time haji mmadu ndị ahụ ha gbaburu that time moto ha mebiri along the road na alaghachi. That's where I want to start from. Ndị ahụ ha gbaburu that time. Enwe ndị Igbo si ya.
Ndị Igbo nọ na ndị Igbo nọ.
Ndị Hausa nọkwa ya bi.
Ndị Hausa nọ ya. Ndị Hausa nọ ndị Igbo nọ.
Moto mebiri along the road. These guys after n'ime ọhịa.
Yes, I mess upload na Uruali data not no mago, Nigeria Chris. So we had talk I do okay, but so that I do not keep with that Emma. So how Bruce the motor, Jamaica, myself upload the jet. Now I'm upload the Haggard Jabbo. I blew something with the airport. So unfortunately, I don't keep when Messa upload. Motor, where maybe Motor maybe after Motor maybe a man or Janek and die. Where you have a shot. So how is our when I see what I want to know? I want to have a gay when I have phone, and I have phone, and I will say, God, I will go hunt in the back.
Babu Manden Kiwa happy.
I was in the Babu Mandas, and I will say, what phone, I will go to the Hajinaba. So this is my organ worker now because I got me put on my mother, also a full of my honor for them. So I had to tell it because I didn't have Mr. Jemba Magazine for security, and damn. Lunda even though I'm talking to you now, the myself on his doing because I had to Yaka boy. You're not going to the man guy in the way, but I'm down the way, not you're not going to. Oh, I also people wasn't talking. This guy now, I told you anyhow. My own, I think I see. I go what I say. Otto, we have talking about Joy Gamma Bay. And with the
Hatrogaji data.
I told this guy, Jenna Bay now. They will tell you.
Ndebara had that thing. Is it in any way related to Gentle?
On the Babulunda. But now those guys are now, those guys are, those guys are all made that.
Omonga Gentle.
Omonga Gentle, oh, Maja Babunda now, oh, Gentle, oh, Maja Bahanya. So, he watch here. Okay, on Aja, give you no phone. Yeah, you are phone. On Aja, you are the man also control damage. Yeah, well, make us always bomb mother. Well, on my Anna, on my Nila. If you know, even another body dangerous.
That those phones, those boys in Atra.
I am born Aja phone. Phone, no, not a phone. And I could, my hand as I'm ego. Now, where's the phone? In the phone, in the Anna Cosare. Upon no Maya, I have because so no one can because how about now got boots of Bobu 1,000 hours. Don't I have because now Babuna on the Bocana. So you could have a Bobu Hantani Lydia. In a while, even the Mamoto has a bit of Mota.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, tell them.
So our people now, they metra better now. You pity them, right? You pity them. The world will sympathize. The world will say very vibrant young youths. The boys didn't do any new thing that Gentle does not know. Somebody said, Governor Zoko, please be careful. We don't want anything to happen to you. Thank you very much, my brother. But let me tell you, everybody able before. Am I better than all of them? I'm not. Then Yemuechi and Eburu. Do you guys see what is going on? Do you hear what is going on? Those people, that moto gentle Kobabu, these people. The boys shot everybody there. Everybody there. Munyeba the motor, you are far from what is going on. No, Ababola has some Igbo there. Babu Manda was and there unde putra something on as the motor him will fought na Okigwe. They shot them. They shot them. They shot them. And someone there. When I share her phone, I share everything. That was the end. So for Gentle, in the other way, these people Oji has smooth to honor. Those guys did not go for any strange thing. They didn't go for any new thing. It is the normal duty they do. Even Gentle Joroha, never hold their duty post. All of them went for the normal business they do. Afu moto, afu kwa any moto. And one opportunity, I rush here. To, everybody know they are not a shaggy phone, not a shaggy everything. Bam moto na. You say I should be careful. I've heard you Sunday. Okay, I'm careful. I'm also free-minded. Then I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of anything. If everybody is afraid like this everywhere, they will have a free day. People will not talk. Everyone just so. One end I say it the way it is. I say it without being glee of anything that moves by night. Those your content creators from Southeast and many other people that are not talking, they are careful now. They are afraid. They don't want to talk. They are observing manner, table manner, hitmen. The only place I have a hitman about Oro to blog and attack Governor Zoko, that is where you are at. Mande, make call. Such statement on the soil of Ngopala was supposed to be probed. All of you saw it on the internet. None of you said anything. None of you complained. Mbaba Buru, one young guy, Ebekani, Babu, nothing for the sake of church. Nado Sudananya Alani, Ababu, one of our sons. All of you kept quiet. Because you think all just Ngopal and it doesn't matter to you. Those your clergymen, have you seen any of them condemn this thing? Am I not still son of the soil of that same place I only our brother? I'm still concerned the same way I was concerned about my own brother, about my own people. That's how I'm still concerned about somebody from Okigwe. That's how I'm concerned about even Akwad. I started talking about Akwad the other day, and I'll continue doing it. Even though they say Jesus, even AKH, I started talking about them because I'm concerned about their children. I'm concerned even about you watching me. Some people called me from Ethiopia, 200 and something persons in the Igbo, and none are sell there. I'm also concerned about them. I talk about them. I talk about everybody. Hello. Yes, good evening. I'm on live section now. Just like 30 minutes or thereabouts. So I am concerned about everyone. You kept quiet. Today you can no longer go to your village because you supported evil. You supported evil. You thought that when after supporting evil, you will now be in paradise. Today you cannot even. You won't have the free mind to come to Imo State. After you must have grabbed our land. What if this kind of evil is dented around that area? Won't you run and leave that place? You will run. That was the kind of insecurity, the kind of panic you came to create in our place. And we try to resist you, saying, no, don't provoke our brothers. Amen. All of you were supporting evil. Can you even leave Lagos and fly down to Imo State, Batangopala, without the security help of the indigenes? You cannot. It's not possible. Now, I can comfortably stay as Onyengopal, as somebody who does not even stay in Imo State. I can comfortably stay in Port Harcourt. Chefuono. If how many bloggers, how many content creators, all of them kept quiet. They don't need to talk. They are not concerned about you. But open day, he comment, again share, again hard VAT, again have born and die because they are pretending. Every pretender is as dangerous as time bomb. Every pretender. There is no way. You think they don't watch me? All the Southeast content creators, all the bloggers, almost all the journalists, they watch me. They often, what time of life, and if they are not watching, they will come back and watch. Somebody said that he's a living testimony to my concern. Ask people, you know, go know. They don't care. Let's assume now we keep quiet on this social space. We'll keep quiet about these things. It will keep escalating. That if our leaders will do something now, is because we are going to push harder. To the governor of Imo State, sir, His Excellency, with all due respect, this is not to bully you. This is not to fight you. Sir, in River State, the governor of River State, the governor of River State during the militancy era, Governor Peter Odili, did this thing I'm telling you. When he saw that this Odili Polo men are Japan passion and the militants were superseding them, he created another team they call it Legal Face. Go and ask anybody. If for SARS, that was the picture SARS copied. If you say the SARS have AK-47, the governor created it. Habu, the same AK-47, those areas they were there. It's in Ebusi Parade. You sure if you encounter the Abagide, we can't go get. Create something. Now, Asare has failed now. Is Asare from Imo State? Is Asare from Imo State? The whole brain of our governors then could not tell them that this man is a stranger and does not know the bush. A man who won't. Somebody owns the person that owns every bush. So you would have allowed our people to have the indigenous. Oburu no bu AK-47 ko mo nga sare jibia e gosi ya na picture he wepụta pompation but ha ewepụ camera he wepụta AK-47. Oburu the same general multipurpose machine guns. These guys Ibu go and meet Mr. President and dialogue with him. Si ana akopro gi n'Imo ha akopro gi isuta ihe chọrọ n'Imo. Except if you don't want to curtail this. If you want to curtail it, you know what to do. Hello. There we go. And I'm on a live video, sir. Just call me back after 30 minutes. You can talk with them. Manoti say mayor. Use the same people. Le OCC Kodraji and J Kulitaji. Learn. Everybody not around you now. They are only. You see all the government appointees in Imo State. They are more wicked. The wicked. It is those people. Those appointees. These people hate the governor more than any other thing. They can never bring any good suggestion. Otherwise, are they supposed if I can things maybe? Why can't they suggest rightly? Why can't they suggest rightly? Two, do you know why Hope Uzodinma kept quiet? Banket now small. Because if he had taken action some 2-3 years ago, if he had taken action, our people. So the man adjusted a bit. Because he is not, no governor in the Southeast will lose anything. If this fire you people are lighting up anywhere kicks off, they are not. Do they live in Imo State? Their children, do they live in Imo State? Have been Imo State. Have been a Southeast. After their regime, they flee. You won't see them again. It's only P2B, Chechara Nebrina Oka. He still lives in Oka. Point orders. I said point 2 former senators of Imo State. Kabini Imo till now. Show me 3 Federal House of Representative members being Imo till now. If not the ones they may appoint, now the administration no hope. When you have Patagadi and Eri, others be in Abuja. All of them lives in Abuja. So I wonder who is fooling who. Now you are going to listen to this. After this, I will go off this broadcast. One day, go and check on TikTok. Our people keep supporting them. Our people keep supporting them at the comment section. If you check this room, Mama, well, let me show you something. Let me show you guys something. They fail to understand the problem. Look at what our brothers are doing. Look at what our people are doing. Let me just show you now. Now, people don't understand. The people saying are highly educated. Na page this woman, you begin to see dirty comments. You know what this person is commenting? Her name is Joy. A lady, only Igbo and you. How these young ladies and young boys, they risk their lives. This one went there and commented. They say Zoo must fall. Believe me. A young lady that is supposed to be careful and stay safe. Now, go and mark it somewhere. Mba Ahmed Gulak, some people babuliana the soul of Ngobala. What happened? Oruhu 1 week. Oruhu 2 weeks. Every one Igbo person, one prominent Igbo person, Ebukura and not that period. Had retaliated Uzbo. Immediately they retaliated. The next person say, picture down of here. Only can say, may vultures and other wild beasts feed on them. He say, you know the kind of comment taken now. You see, their mothers will not caution them. You see what our people are supporting. That is why at some point I will stop this in Ebugo Digi. I don't care. Who hacked your brain? Go on, hack the brain our people. Only again with 3 pictures. Yes, it's zoo police. Only Kinsili. Amen. Other place, but woto for the zoo. Nature the 3 first comments. Pius Anthony. The 4th commenter said, Bushmeat called Nigeria. Police, I laugh with English. Watch what they are supporting. Only one person commented something negative. They are saying that is something they against them. Or say, gentle the Yahoo. Okay? Ochi. Yes, you go soon join the people you buy. Now, the next person I say, what they don't know is bigger than them. Another person I say, as long as Christ liveth, Biafra will come to fulfillment. I'm not against you on that one. Another person, Jude Igwe, I say, is that zoo military? You may use airports. You don't know. You may use airports. After this, your comment, be careful. Now, there are many ways to get you. Over my police check again at airport or anywhere make intercept. A man at your face a gala everywhere, depending on the kind of comment you lay at the public space. Then these people don't. These men on ground also they don't know you. You don't also know them. Again at Lagos or on Abuja airport or anywhere, they can never rescue you. And when you get man if the DSS can ban you from there. After interrogation, we can get touch or game interrogation. Game one aka. Nobody will know. The director of DSS, a matter now at the cost of interrogation, came one aka. They will tell Mr. President they apache that matter and give full. You see what our people are doing. The next person they say, get them down. Only I say get them down. Come join now. Merun experiment. I won't actually just about wickedness, but my brother, Lenu age this boy. Commentary this kind of thing. Lay age this boy. Lay age here. This is how our people cash into trouble they don't even know. Now, if you see, you can never see any of my relation try this kind of thing. You know why? I will explain to you the implication of social media. People are in life. There are people I explain to. Don't try this one. Very soon, bush meat will be surplus. Ha ha ha. This is not first time. Obroma, you don't know why it's police when they intercept you sometimes, they will find charge that or something maybe because Igbo enemy to yourself. Now, check there. The first 20 comments they're quite discouraging. They are people. The next person say what on ground. The next person say, why not come at you fully gentle? Now, only say no sinners will go unpunished, they will never go unpunished. And with her real face, she dey favor. Only I got local deal. Only I got to settle down somewhere, someday. Only I got to help from people. Now let me tell you, you after commenting these kind of things, you see Obi Kubana, you begin to hail him. Oh, Obi, carry me along. Do you know that so many of these rich people screenshot this your comment, they keep it, they send to their PAs and I watch it. In case they encounter you anywhere, they presume you to be a kidnapper. Watch, go to Facebook, click Umuoma, you will see that page. You will see this page I'm talking about. Now, another person, Smart James, they say their journey will not be safe. All these people, thank you, my brother. Somebody said that this is the power of, he said that is the power of industrialization. Okay, indoctrination, yes, my brother. Sorry. If these people are working, if all these are brothers commenting these things, if they are highly engaged, these are the same people that will come and call you a fool at the comment section. They don't have sense. Their brains are dead. Now, the government also, whom are supposed to create job for these people. If you are a leader, you are a politician watching me, this is not also supporting you because you are part of the problem. I am the only neutral person here. You are part of the problem. You see why these youth are commenting this thing. They are supporting this kind of people because they don't have any job. And even if they get any job around this nation and work, they will never, their salaries the next 10 years cannot afford one small Toyota Corolla. Are you listening to me? Onyenkasi, may our ancestors deal with them. In the open, people are commenting this thing. This one, see, this is a dictate. Okay, this is a dictate from Governor Amuneke. Onyenkasi, then they craze. Our people are hyping this evil. Our people are enjoying it. Our people are shielding it. Our people They are enjoying it. Excuse me, please. People are enjoying it. Sorry, let me take something. So people are enjoying it. They are enjoying it. They are celebrating it. Then the same people expect you to sympathize with them when they become victim. You no go work. You will anybody support her. That person will reap. Partially, whatever you face and speak to, that thing faces you when you turn back. That's the laws of karma. That's the laws of nature. Now, I want to play this voice note and I'd like you to listen to this. This is a conversation between somebody and one of the Umoma. Now, people are busy supporting them. Some saying, these are commenters. I'm not trying to endanger your life, but you are very stupid. Many of our people, this is what they do. Onyenka akpọrọ ha bushmeat, ọbụrụ security men bushmeat. And you are in Nigeria. Ima approach airport, avoge. I'm not taking Kuno. Is smoothie. Somebody gave it to me as a gift, so I collected it. Comment your rubbish, they are my block organ. There. Check, I'm so block. You need to be very stupid. I'm not calling here, I can't that thing. Let me block you, or let me suspend you. You won't participate in this program. You won't hear the next thing I'm saying. If I see you next time, whether good morning, I don't forget things. That will block you. After Bini. Any of you want by a roba 20 tinimi begi. Buffuna Libo. You will fool. How many Yoruba people? How many in the Yoruba came from Abuja people like this? So now Nasu Yoruba. Have you ever seen a Yoruba man whose brother speaks Yoruba to him and Yama call AK-47 bar his brother on a camera? What? On Ala Igbo ka man. On na chinyani. On na chikotara Jehovah Jireh. Because of Jehovah Jireh, kunu jebu shower people. Kenya committed nothing. So let's hear this call conversation between somebody who is closer to gentle. They will Omunga gentle get betray gentle very soon. It's not unexpected. The mother Ubo when her no job. No kwa na this social media one day when ni idiot ga bia governor ezoku bu mkpa ya. Nwete gi for no so ban confirm ni nwe di moral self iwu mugu. No ya na ebe content creator thunder gbagbu ogwa ge. Many of them common Igbo Ugwo. You know what they do? Be careful. Obu many ha complain na somebody ji onye ụgwọ or onye arịrị ego onye aji otu ngwa ahịa. Instead of them, ha chọrọ izo onye ọma o. Ha chọrọ iza ben good man. You know what these guys does? They will tell the person who laid that complaint. Now because he should call Governor Ezioku, the person should reach out to the governor. Not Governor Ezioku that will handle this. They want to be a good person. Nanti onya. That person in question is going or person in your motor or men can make a transaction or could you 30-40 million naira. They will hear the complaint before me. They will not refer the people to me. That is why people name complain and Johan, who gave you my number? Who told you to call me? Because I know you didn't hear about me from the air. And you don't also follow me on Facebook. They want to answer good name. Somebody brana soil on go ala. Even though I know that on where such capacity, only away fool. A nobody. all of you supported it. Agbakata kwebe na your own village, give kuoku that the thunder, anybody Ala Igbo that day. Colonial zombies who doesn't have sense. Even though you and somebody did good yesterday, the person called them misbehave. You know if you correct the person, can't you correct that person? Anything, if everything I do is 100% okay in your sight, you are an animal. Even I'm betting my whole life. If you love everything I do and you never correct anything in me, you've never advised me on any side at all, you are a fool. You don't want my survival. You don't want my survival. If everything I do, if I respect you as my boss, or I respect you as one of my leaders, or I respect you as one of my mentors, and you cannot correct me, even my mentors, I have one man I respect so much, they shout for him, Ogami, no, but this one not dey good. If I will tell you finish, even if you get angry, after 2 or 3 days, I will call you daddy, sir, Namoku, Adam loyal, because where I get the way I spoke to you that day. Man, all what I or if it's something I need to talk to you calmly, I will calmly speak to you, sir. How can you be my mentor? I'm bugging a phone 3 times and you're not taking my call. Next week, you didn't answer. Upper week, you exam again. Namuku arrogance about our booking email. All the thing will cause a problem. Under them, from remove we go answer my call. Every evil you support, must you support evil because that person is your relation? Hold on, let me play this. Then I'll leave here after this. And after this, so let's play this. This is Gentle's call conversation with one of his men. Let's see how we can play this now. I don't know if this will be the best way so that all of you will be able to hear it.
Connected.
I'm stressed out today. I'm there to rest, but I had to do this.
Just to poison against you.
I work on me. You have bought the poison you. Now, I'm there.
Hold on, let me play it. Odika MP gave me it too loud. So listen.
Poison now. Ebe ha dị n'ọha rie ihe ọ bụrụ ndị ka ha riri mmanya ka ha nwụrụ ha ekwesịghị inwe onye butere dị mmanya na
Emago odogwa na-atụ ụgwọ mbatụ bọmba